On this episode of HHMtv, we thought it might be a good time to get out and take a hike, and we're inviting you to come along.
And let's face it, we can all use a little fresh air right now.
So we're staying socially distant and enjoying a nice little hike here at Salamonie River Forest State Park. Come and join us.
So today we're hiking at the Salamonie River State Forest. This is a beautiful spot in north central Indiana. A lot of the terrain has been carved away by glaciers eons ago, and we're just enjoying the limestone, several little waterfalls, well-carved trails throughout the park. There's horseback riding here, hiking, camping. So this is a wonderful place to have a great time outdoors, enjoy some great sights, and do it very economically. Great fun for the whole family. You're going to want to get out here and just explore nature.
Darling, I would never let you go.
So I think times like this, during this pandemic, you know, you got to take account of the blessings and the things that you can go and do and enjoy. And Kyle, you know, state parks still are open, which is great.
Yeah, you know, the campgrounds are closed, but you're able to do a trail anywhere in the state.
Yeah, I tell you what, it's really nice that it's open still, right in time for this beautiful spring weather to come.
That's going to do it for another episode of HHMtv. Thanks for coming along on our virtual hike with us today. Remember, we're all in this together. For Kyle and Chris, I'm Brock.
Stay safe.
And stay positive.
Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.